In this video, we are going to resolve this error in the VM workstation. When you try to access it, it shows this error screen which says the features supported by the processor in this machine are different from the features supported by the processor in the machine on which the virtual machine state was saved. You may attempt to resume this virtual machine, but doing so may result in unpredictable behavior. Do you wish to resume the virtual machine? So let's see how we can resolve this. So first of all, the best solution is just click on no. And if your virtual machine is running in any state, doesn't matter in which state, whether it is showing like paused or if it is already running, just click to the top and click on power off. Click on discard. This will automatically discard the old CPU state, and this basically removes the CPU mismatch issue. So you click on discard, not suspend, not anything else. Just click on power off. Once it is completely off, you just power on this virtual machine, give the VM a fresh boot, and your problem should be resolved. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.